So an impaired exercise is not one where you've been drinking. It's one where you impair your playing. And the basic one, and the one that I found the most useful, is not using my index finger. So for example, major scale. If I'm playing a major scale like that, totally fine, but try playing it without your index finger. First, just kind of go through the forms. Choose any scale that you like, the pentatonic scale. And then once you kind of get used to it, just take a couple minutes with it and then try playing it normally, and it'll feel like you have, well, you have an extra finger, but feel like you have a whole other limb and another dimension. It kind of eases up your normal playing. So one of the other things I really like to do with it, with this concept at least, is play like a phrase with all my fingers and then try to repeat the phrase with just these three. So, I don't know. I use my index there, see? But that's kind of the point, is it keeps me on the edge of failure, even if I'm playing the types of patterns and shapes and phrases that are familiar with me. So yeah, impaired exercise, I find it really helpful. Hey, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it and maybe you learned something, then go ahead and subscribe, because I'm uploading at least one new video every week. Most months we're getting about 6 videos. Also in the description is a link to the full lesson with text and tabs and charts and stuff like that over on my website, 6tuningpegs.com. Now while you're over at 6tuningpegs.com, make sure you sign up for the email list. That'll get you exclusive access to my guitar chord survival kit. And of course, they'll let you know what's happening. Thanks again, I'll see you soon. Cheers.